Security control in Tally. Generally, company will have different users in different categories. If company gives permission to operate Tally for all the users, then there is a chance to corrupt the data. So, we will see for which persons that the company should give permission to operate Tally by using security control. Now we selected Prime Trading Company. We did not have security option in company information. When we creating the company, then if we have selected the option security control, then this option will be displayed in the company information. Now we will select security control for Prime Trading Company by selecting alter option. Here I am altering the Prime Trading Company. I am giving yes for the option use security control, and I am giving name of the administrator Prem, and here I am giving password, and finally click on accept. Now shut down this company and again select Prem Trading Company. Now we have to give username Prem and password, and here we can see the option security control under company information. In security control, we have the option users and passwords and types of security. When we select types of security, we can see a list of security levels. Here we have name of security level, data entry, use basic facilities of owner. Owner means administrator. So owner has facility to enter data, press enter key. Days allowed for backdated watches. Next option is cutoff date for backdated watches. Here we can see disallow the following facilities. Here we can see full access accounts masters. It means we can set that which facilities should be allowed and which facilities should not allowed. End of the list. Here we can give reports that we can allow for full access. Suppose here I am selecting accounts master. It means last time we disallowed full access on accounts master, but now we allowed for full access. Now I did not want to allow it for full access. So here I am selecting end of the list. Next I am giving manager here. It means we gave simple permission for data entry operators without giving full access. Here we have to select either owner or data entry. I am selecting owner. Next we have to select facilities that which are not allowed. I did not select anything. So click on end of the list. Like this we can add security levels. Next I am selecting the option users and password. Here I am giving username Anu. Next we have to give password, and last one is security level. Here we have to select either data entry, manager or owner. So I am selecting data entry. It means we have given permission to Anu for allow the facilities which are given in data entry. Next I am giving username Raj, password is also Raj, and security level is owner. Like this we can give permission for different users with different security levels. Now I am shut down the company and again select the Prime Trading Company. Here I am giving username Anu and password. Now we can observe that the options in masters are not displayed because we have given some permissions for data entry. So we can enter only accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers. Now shut down the company and again select Prime Trading Company, and here I am giving username Raj and password. We have given almost all permissions to Raj, so we can see all the options in masters, reports and transactions, and he have a capability to work with any option. Like this we can give particular permissions for different users.